Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 6 from page number 88, exercise 4.3 here. The diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Right. So whatever it may be the problem in the quadratic equations, first you have to take only one variable that you have to remember. So draw the rectangle as they are talking about a rectangle and one diagonal. Just draw. So assume the shorter side as x. Then they are telling the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side. So as I said, you have to consider only one variable. So I am taking that length as x plus 30. And they have given for that rectangle, diagonal is 60 more than shorter side. So as I have taken shorter side as x, this is x plus 60. So if you consider this is, suppose say this is ABCD rectangle. So the triangular form here ABC is a right angle, right? So for a rectangle, so you have all the corners are at 90 degrees, right? So if you consider triangle ABC, that is a right angle triangle, so hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Pythagoras theorem you can apply. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, so which is nothing but x plus 60 whole square is equal to AB is x plus 30 whole square. So what is BC? So opposite sides are of same length here. So BC is also x. So x square, right? So now expand x square. This is of a plus b whole square form. No? So 2 into a into b, 2 into x into 60, 120x plus 60 square, 6 6 are 36, 2 zeros, right, is equal to again x square plus 60x plus 30 square means 900 plus x square. Try to bring everything on to your left hand side. So 120x plus 3600 minus x square minus 60x minus 900 minus x square is equal to 0. So x square and x square will get cancelled. So I have this minus x square and then 120x and minus 60. So plus 60x, right? So 36 and minus 9. So that will be 27, right? So plus 2700 is equal to 0. So this can be simplified further. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So for any word problem, if you can reach till this step, that is formatting the quadratic equation, is very easy. After that also you can apply any procedure. So this is only the important step to formulate your quadratic equation from the given lines. Now the quadratic equation we are getting from the given problem is x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So to solve for x here, we have to take the factors for this 2700. So instead of that big number, just consider only 27 to get for 6. Okay, so 9 3s, right, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is 90 and 60. You can take like that also. That is simple, right? So minus 90x minus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Minus 90 and plus 30, right? Minus 90 plus 30 is minus 60. Minus 90 into plus 30 is minus 2700, right? So this is the rough word. Now x you take common, x minus 90, then plus 30 you take common, this is also x minus 90, that is equal to 0. So x minus 90 into x plus 30 is equal to 0. So either x minus 90 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 90 is one solution, and x plus 30 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 30 is the other solution. So x here we have assumed as the length of one of the sides of the rectangle. So length cannot be a negative number. So x minus 30 you can neglect. X is equal to 90 is the answer. So as they're asking you to find the sides of the field, so x is 90 meters, that is breadth. Breadth of your rectangle is 90 meter. Then length is how much? X plus 30, 90 plus 30, that is 120 meters. So the length and breadth of the rectangular like this. Suppose if they are asking for diagonal, that is 90 plus 60, so 150 meters. That also you can write. So this is how we can solve this problem. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.